Hello, wanted to make a video to show everyone exactly how an electronic cigarette works. This is the mini electronic cigarette, a little bit different than the previous versions, only in its size, functionality, amount of smoke, battery length, all pretty much the same as the previous version. So the mini is much smaller, more the size of a regular cigarette, which kind of helps me feel a little bit more like it's regular smoking, which has been half the battle to stick with these and not move back to traditional tobacco cigarettes, which I have not done, and it's actually been relatively easy compared to the other methods that I've used to stop smoking tobacco. So the mini, this one's charged up, ready to go. Looks like smoke. It's actually a vapor inside here. That's just the mouthpiece. And with the old ones, the actual mouthpiece was the disposable nicotine cartridge. This one, there's a cover on it, and this set actually came with a couple of them, and they're just plastic. You can certainly wash them. In here, that there is the nicotine cartridge. A lot smaller than the previous version. It just sits in there and the cover goes over it. Just like that. And when you inhale on it, it automatically lights up the LED light at the end, kind of a novelty, certainly not necessary, but looks like smoke. Doesn't have, it's a vapor, it dissipates right into the air, doesn't have any discernible smell. I've smoked these in public places and get a lot of looks and a lot of questions, but as far as I know, of course you'd have to ask with whoever owns the bar, the restaurant, or whatnot, whether you can. Have not tried smoking it on a plane, so let me know if anybody has, and the reactions. This right here comes out. That is the atomizer that actually vaporizes the liquid nicotine that's in that cartridge. That is the battery. As you can see, the LED light on the end is activated just when you inhale through it. So like I said, really not necessary, kind of a novelty. As far as charging it, it comes with a charger, and you just screw it in there, plug it in, and it charges up. This set actually comes with a second battery, which is great because then you can charge one and still be using the electronic cigarette. It also comes with 6 starter nicotine refills. That is just the case. Inside is, again, that little nicotine refill. Comes with a little cap on the end there. These nicotine refills come in different flavors. I've had the tobacco and the Marlboro. Taste pretty similar. I've certainly been happy with them. I'm not up for trying the apple or strawberry or mint, but certainly I've talked to a lot of people who have, and they really enjoy that, especially if you smoke menthol. They also come in 4 different nicotine levels: high, medium, low, and no nicotine. I think the idea is, you start with a medium or high, depending on what type of tobacco you accustomed to smoking, and then eventually move down to no nicotine, where you can kind of wean yourself off of it completely if you want, although this is really more of a smoking replacement. So that is how it works. I highly recommend it if you tried quitting before and really want to stop smoking tobacco. This has worked for me. The mini e-cigarette I would definitely recommend over some of the larger versions, just because of its size. It is much more easy to handle, I would say, and more comfortable if you're used to smoking cigarettes. So Thank you.